Hello Noreen, I hope you are doing well. I want to show you 10 new colors that I just received. The most interesting is this multicolored thread, and I already started to work with it. I made first sample and I really love it. I will show you it right now. Just look, we have here white, black color, also turquoise, different shades of pink colors. That's why this thread is a little bit lighter. We can mix it with our Italian viscose just to make it more heavy and more elastic for our projects. It's so beautiful and high quality. So I will show you with what colors I used. I work it, and the number I will show you right now of this thread 72, 66 and 4. So I have chosen colors that I already have in our store. This very dark gray color I used to create first element, and also I used our beautiful pink color 3208. Yes, three colors, because it's perfect for this. Also we can mix this thread with turquoise color. The number is 19624, like this. We can mix it because we have here this turquoise color. And now I will show you what first element I made. It's so beautiful. Just look to this flower with wings, and I mix it here pink color and also this dark gray. How to work? Just we can take, for example, 3 multicolored threads and 1 dark gray, and this will be one option. Yes, you can create some part of element. Next, here I mix it 2 pink colors and 2 multicolored threads, and I made this part of petals. After, I just joined 3 cones of pink color and I made this row. After, we have also just one color, it's dark gray. I joined 4 cones together because it's more thin, but all the time I am using the same crochet hook 1.7 millimeters, and it's perfect. Also, I made these beautiful wings with 3 threads multicolored and 1 dark gray, and I received such awesome design. And also big wing, the same thread I used 3 multicolored threads and 1 dark gray. In such way I received this fantastic flower with wings, and it's really something new, very interesting and beautiful. And also we can use here, for example, we have pink, and the same we can make with a turquoise color, and we will get totally new flower because this will be more turquoise. Yes, and this mixed multicolored thread will give to this flower, to this element, amazing look, and I'm sure this will be stunning, even gorgeous. And it's so interesting because we have here several colors like this. Next, I want to show you another new colors that I just received. Maybe you will like some of them because you want to order threads for your granddaughter. Yes, so let's check the new colors. So this multicolored thread, the number we have. After, I want to show you very gentle, it's like a lavender pastel, very beautiful, and the number is, you can see here. You will next tell me, do you like it? Very beautiful, high quality thread. After, we have milk chocolate color, the new one I just received. It's 52703. Also high quality and really gentle color we have here. After, very bright green color, the number is 3658, and I have only 1 bobbin. I just work it with this color, and I have made blouse Lala for my client. It's really fantastic. For now, I really enjoy to work with this color, and together with this one we can mix another green color, and it's really special. In real life it looks a little bit different than on the screen. I love it, and the number is here. And the next one is, the name of this color is Light Sea, and we have the number. You can see it's so beautiful, and the number is 8989 and 2. After, we have very bright, it's coral red color, looks like this, very bright. It's more red color in real life, not like this orange on the screen, and the number is here. I received 2 bobbins like this. Next, we have like a copper joined with a pink color. On the screen it's more orange, but in real life it's more pink copper. And we have the number. Also 2 cones I have like this. After very beautiful, it's like a gold and peach color, and also a little bit orange, but very tender pastel. Looks perfect. Very nice color. This one I really recommend you to try. Looks really nice. And also I received this dark blue because I sold out this color, and right now I received this one again, this color. The number is 58, 52 and 3, like this. So let's place it somewhere here. And now once again all colors together with numbers, you can see. In total 10 new colors. So, and I want to say that these two I just used, they are perfect. I created blouse. This one is so tender, light sea, and this one, like always, I love it. Also this one, it's like a gold with orange and peach color, and multicolored. Just try to use it and it's incredible, but I recommend you to use it with viscose, so light pink. And this one I have this thread in our store. The number is 3161, is this one. It's just perfect to use with this multicolored thread. Okay, and also I used this light pink, it's number 3208, like this. Looks really gorgeous. And turquoise color, I think you have this color maybe, if I remember correct, 19624, because we have the same here in this multicolored thread. Also, I will make right now for you picture of all these colors with numbers, so it will be better for you to choose what colors you like, and you will have numbers, so you will be able to tell me what exactly color you want to order. And I will gladly prepare for you beautiful yarn kit, and I will send you package. So once again, this gorgeous flower, just to show you something really interesting for this moment that I received. Such multicolored flower with wings. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be happy to send you some package with threads. And thank you for everything you do, for your big support. We really are happy that we have you, and we feel your love and your support. So thank you for everything you do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.